Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your USB drive. Resetting your USB drive is a crucial step for several reasons, whether you are dealing with data corruption, slow performance, or simply need to securely erase all its contents. A fresh start can resolve many common issues, making your drive reliable again. We will cover the straightforward process for both Windows and Mac OS users, ensuring you can confidently prepare your drive for optimal use. For Windows users, begin by opening Disk Management. You can find this by typing Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions into your Start menu search bar. Once open, locate your USB drive, being very careful to select the correct one. Right-click on it, choose Format, and then select your desired file system, typically NTFS for larger files or FAT32 for broader compatibility. Check the Perform a Quick Format box, then confirm your choice to proceed. Mac users can reset their USB drive using Disk Utility. Open it by going to Applications, then Utilities, and selecting Disk Utility. In the sidebar, carefully choose your USB drive. Click the Erase button at the top. You will then be prompted to name your drive and select a format. Common choices include apps for newer Macs or Mac OS Extended journaled for older compatibility. Ensure the scheme is set to GUID partition map, then click Erase to complete the process. Before you begin, always remember to back up any critical data from your USB drive. Resetting will permanently delete everything on it, and data recovery afterward is extremely challenging, if not impossible. This process is irreversible. Once completed, your USB drive will be clean, optimized, and ready for reliable use, free from previous errors or unwanted files. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth and successful reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.